Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's our video is about the multiple choice questions on agricultural finance and cooperation. So first question, chattel loans are obtained from pawnbrokers by pledging movable properties such as option A jewelry and utensils, B certificates, C bond papers, and D tractor. So correct answer is jewelries and utensils. The next question, duration of crop loan is dash dash. Option A 24 months, B 12 months, C 15 months, or D 6 to 18 months. So here correct answer is 6 to 18 months according to Book of Agricultural Finance and Cooperation by Subbareddy and Raghuram. Then next, Reserve Bank of India was established in year A 1945, B 1956, C 1935, and D 1905. So correct answer is Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935. The next, in a second spell of nationalization of banks, 6 more banks were nationalized on A 15 March 1980, 1st April 1980, 15 April 1980, or D 1st March 1980. So second spell of nationalization in which 6 banks were nationalized on 15th April 1980. The next, long term loan has dash dash structure in Maharashtra. So option 3 tier structure, B 2 tier structure, both A and B, or none of these. Correct answer is 2 tier structure. Then next, in first spell of nationalization of banks, 14 commercial banks were nationalized on 19 July 1965, 19 June 1965, then 19 June 1962, or 19 July 1969. Correct answer is 19 July 1969, first spell of nationalization of 14 banks. Then next, internal rate of returns IRR is one of the dash dash measure of financial analysis. So option A undiscounted, B discounted, C both of these, or D none of these. So correct answer is internal rate of return is one of the discounted measure of financial analysis. So there are other also some discounted measures like benefit cost ratio, okay, NPV. These are the discounted measures of financial analysis. The next, internal rate of return should dash dash than ruling rate of interest. So option A, it should higher than ruling interest rate, B lower, C equal, D none of these. Correct answer is it should be higher than ruling rate of interest. Then next, duration of short term loan is, so 24 months, 12 months, 15 months, or 6 to 18 months. Correct answer is 6 to 18 months according to Book of Subbareddy and Raghuram. So correct answer is 6 to 18 months. Then management of DCCB, that is District Central Cooperative Bank, vested or based on the board of directors consisting of dash dash members. Means in the management body of DCCB, how many board of directors are present? 4 to 5 members, 8 to 10 members, 4 to 7 members, or 12 to 15 members. So correct answer is 12 to 50 members are present in the management or in the board of directors of DCCB. The next, straight end repayment plan. Straight end repayment plan is also called as option A, lump sum repayment plan, B, single repayment plan, C, amortized repayment plan, or D, both A and B. So correct answer here is both A and B, because straight end repayment plan has another two names, that is lump sum repayment plan and single repayment plan. Then next, in a partial repayment plan, installment amount is decreasing except in dash dash year. Means option A in a first year, B in a maturity year, C in a second year, or D none of these. So here correct answer is in a partial repayment plan, installment amount is decreasing except in maturity year, means except in a last year. Okay. The next, partial repayment plan is also called as dash dash plan. Option single plan, lump sum repayment plan, C balloon repayment plan, or D amortized repayment plan. So correct answer is partial repayment plan is also called as balloon repayment plan, because we pay the large amount in the last installment. The next, loan obtained from pawnbrokers by pledging movable property is like jewelry, it's called dash dash loans. So options is called hypothecations, mortgage, key loans, or chattel loans. So correct answer is chattel loans. Next, anything which is generally accepted in exchange for other things and which can discharge all obligations past and present is called option A, price, money, value, or all of these. Correct answer is anything which is generally accepted in exchange for other things and which can discharge all obligations past and present is called money. The next, committee of Takavi loan. Committee of Takavi loan was appointed under or were appointed under chairmanship of dash dash. Option A, chairmanship of Mohan Kanda, chairmanship of Nariman, or chairmanship of BP Patel, or chairmanship of Mathur GP. So here correct answer is the committee of Takavi loan was appointed under the chairmanship of BP Patel. Next, Reserve Bank of India established in the year option A 1930, B 1905, C 1955, D 1935. So correct answer is Reserve Bank of India was established in the year 1935. Then next, Reserve Bank of India means RBI. Dash dash is higher financing agency. Options are commercial banks, International Monetary Fund, IMF, PSCs, or regional rural bank. Here correct answer is IMF or International Monetary Fund is the higher financing agency. Dash dash is not source of non-institutional credit. Dash dash is not source of non-institutional credit. So option A, government, B, landlords, C, relatives, D, saukars. So correct answer is government is not a source of non-institutional credit. Then next, DCCBs are basically meant to meet credit requirements of option A, credit requirements of RRBs, that is regional rural banks, then credit requirement of commercial banks, credit requirement of LDBs, that is land development banks, and D, credit requirement of primary agriculture cooperative societies, that is PACs. So DCCBs are basically meant to meet the credit requirement of PACs, means primary agriculture cooperative societies. Then next, dash dash finance pertains to financing agriculture in aggregate or agriculture as a whole. Option microfinance, macrofinance, both of these or none of these. Correct answer is macrofinance pertains to financing agriculture in a aggregate or agriculture as a whole. The next, crop loans comes under dash dash loan. Option A short term loan, B medium term loan, C long term loan, or D term loan. So correct answer is crop loan comes under the short term loan. Next, principle of thrift of cooperation. Principle of thrift of cooperation is related with habit of dash dash. Option A habit of investment, B habit of saving, C habit of exchange, or D all of these. So correct answer is principle of thrift of cooperation is related with habit of saving. Then next, under single window system, cooperative marketing is under dash dash tier structure. Under single window system, cooperative marketing is under dash dash tier structure. Option A 1 tier, 2 tier structure, 3 tier structure, or 4 tier structure. Here under single window system, cooperative marketing is under the 2 tier structure. Next, dash dash finance deals with the aspects related to total credit needs of agricultural sector. So microfinance, macrofinance, mini finance, or nano finance. Dash dash finance deals with the aspect related or relating to total credit needs of the agriculture sector. Correct answer is macrofinance because it is related to total credit needs, aggregate or whole credit needs. That's why it is macrofinance. The next, dash dash finance refers to financial management of individual farm business or of single farm business. Option A micro, B macro, C mini, or nano. Correct answer is microfinance refers to financial management of individual farm business. The next, dash dash is like a lever with both forward and backward linkages to the economic development at micro and macro level. Option A farm finance, B small finance, C mini finance, or nano finance. So here correct answer is farm finance is like a lever with both forward and backward linkages to the economic development at micro and macro level. Next is the word credit. The word credit comes from the dash dash language. So option comes from German language, Latin language, English language, or Spanish language. Correct answer is the word credit comes from the Latin language, that is credo. The next, credit is otherwise called as option profit, loss, loan, or debt. Correct answer is credit is otherwise called as loan. Next, dash dash is certain amount of money provided for certain purpose on certain conditions with some interest which can be repaid sooner or later. Option: gift, grant, token, or credit. Correct answer is credit is certain amount of money provided for certain purposes on certain condition with some interest which can be repaid sooner or later. Next, dash dash are also called seasonal agricultural operations loan, or in short SAO loans. Option A: consumption loan, B: marketing loan, C: production loan, or D: none of these. Correct answer is production loans are also called as SAO loans. Next, dash dash loans are meant for helping the farmers to overcome distress sales. Option A: consumption, B: marketing, C: production, or D: none of these. Correct answer is marketing loans are meant for helping the farmers to overcome the distress sale. Next, any loan advance for the purpose other than production is broadly categorized as A: consumption, B: term loan, C: marketing loan, or D: production loan. So correct answer is any loan advance for the purpose other than production is broadly categorized as consumption loan. Next, long term loan and medium term loans togetherly called as consumption loan, term loan, marketing loan, or production loan. So correct answer is long term loan and medium term loan togetherly called as term loans. Next, in dash dash security, in dash dash security, movable properties of the individuals are offered as security. Option: in a collateral security, B: personal security, C: both of these, or D: none of these. Correct answer is in a collateral security, movable properties of the individual are offered as security. Then next, LIC bonds, fixed deposits, fixed deposit means FDs, warehouse receipt, jewelry, machinery, livestock are some of the properties accepted as a dash dash security by the institutional lending agencies, or are the examples of dash dash securities. So option are the example of collateral securities, personal securities, both of these, or none of these. Correct answer is LIC bond, FD means fixed deposit, warehouse receipt, jewelry, machinery, livestock are the movable properties. So they are the example of collateral security. The next, in dash dash, movable properties are presented for security purpose. In dash dash, immovable. In dash dash, immovable properties are presented for the security purpose. So option: in a chattel loan, in a collateral security, in a mortgage, or in a hypothecation. Correct answer is in a mortgage, immovable properties such as land, building are presented for the security purpose. The next, an example of hypothecated key loan is, an example for hypothecated key loans is option A: tractor, B: land, C: LIC bond, or D: agricultural produce. Keep in mind example of hypothecation key loan. Hypothecated key loan. Correct answer is agricultural produce is the example of hypothecated key loans. The next, an example of hypothecated open loans. Dash dash is the example of hypothecated open loans. So option: tractor, land, LIC bond, or agriculture product. Correct answer is tractor is the example of hypothecated open loan, and agricultural produce is example of hypothecated key loans. Next, dash dash is the example of self liquidating loans. So option: crop loan, term loan, consumption loan, or marketing loan. Correct answer is crop loan is example of self-liquidating loans. Next, dash dash loans are advance to the weaker sections of the community. So, DRI loans, then chattel loans, key loans or open hypothecated loans. Correct answer is DIR means differential rate of interest loans are advanced to the weaker sections of the community. Then next, rate of interest rate of DRI loan is dash dash percent per annum. Correct answer options 12%, 9%, 6% or 4%. Correct answer is interest rate of DRI loan is 4% per annum. Okay, then next, dash dash is the economic feasibility test of credit. Don't get confused in economic viability and economic feasibility test. So, dash dash is the economic feasibility test of credit. Option returns, repayment capacity, risk bearing ability or all of these. Correct answer is all of these means 3 R's of credit are the economic feasibility test of credit. 3 R's are the economic feasibility tests of credit. Okay. The next, to study economic viability, to study economic viability of investment activity, important test applied are. So option character, capacity, capital or all of these. Correct answer is all of these means for to study the economic viability 5 C's: character, capacity, condition and common sense. These are the 5 C's are the important test applied for to study the economic viability of credit. Okay. The next, dash dash is nothing but ability of the farmer to repay the loan. Option returns, repayment capacity, risk bearing ability or all of these. Correct answer is repayment capacity is nothing but the ability of farmer to repay the loan amount. Next, dash dash is not cause for poor repayment capacity. Dash dash is not cause for poor repayment capacity. Option returns from investment, small size of holdings, then high family expenditure. D, using farm credit for other unproductive purposes. So correct answer is returns from investment is not cause for poor repayment capacity, means small size of land holdings, high family expenditure, using farm credit for unproductive purposes are the causes for poor repayment capacity of borrower. Next, dash dash is measure to strengthen repayment capacity, or dash dash is the solution to strengthen the repayment capacity of borrower. Option A, low farmers equity, B, using farm credit for unproductive purposes, C, low production or D, diversifying the farm enterprises. So correct answer is diversification or diversifying the farm enterprises is the measure to strengthen the repayment capacity of farmer or borrower. Next, dash dash is the ability of farmer to withstand the risk that arises due to financial losses. Option A, returns, B, repayment capacity, C, risk bearing ability or D, all of these. Correct answer is risk bearing ability is the ability of farmer to withstand the risk that arises due to financial losses. Next, qualities like honesty, integrity, commitment, hard work, promptness, etc. shows dash dash of the borrower. It shows character of the borrower, capacity of the borrower, capital of the borrower or condition of the borrower? Correct answer is it shows character of the borrower. Qualities like honesty, integrity, commitment, hard work, promptness are the it shows the character of the borrower. The next dash dash is synonymous with repayment ability. Option A character, capacity, capital or condition. Correct answer is capacity is synonymous with repayment ability of borrower. Next dash dash is not economic viability test. Dash dash is not economic viability test of credit. Option A repayment capacity, B common sense, C condition or D character. So correct answer is repayment capacity is not economic viability test of credit because it is economic feasibility test of credit, and other common sense, condition, character are the economic viability test of credit. Next dash dash is not principle of farm finance. As we know, there are several principles of farm finance, that is 7 P's of farm finance or credit. Option A principle of proper utilization, B principle of payment, C principle of protection, D principle of promise. So correct answer is principle of promise is not principle of farm finance. Okay. Next there are dash dash principles of farm finance, means there are how many principles of farm finance? Option A 3 principles, B 5 principles, 7 principles or 8 principles. Correct answer is there are 7 principles of farm finance or agricultural finance. Next dash dash is nothing but the ratio of debt to equity. Option A productivity, B feasibility, C viability or leverage. Correct answer is leverage is nothing but the ratio of debt to equity. Then next dash dash is included in a procedure of farm loan sanctioning. Dash dash is included in a procedure of farm loan sanctioning. Option A interview with the farmer, B submission of loan application by the farmer, C recovery of loan, and D all of these. So here correct answer is all of these, means interview with the farmer, submission of loan application and recovery of loan are included in the procedure of farm loan sanctioning. The next dash dash is not required while submission of loan application by the farmer, means we required some documents while submitting the loan application in the financial institution or in the bank. So option 712 record, that is Satbara record, B farm inventory, C Adangal record, then D farm map. Correct answer is farm inventory is not required while submission of loan application by the farmer. Next in dash dash repayment plan, in dash dash repayment plan the principal component remains constant over the entire repayment period. So as we know, there are two components in the repayment plan. One is principal component and another one is interest component. So in a dash dash repayment plan the principal component remains constant over the entire repayment period. Option A in a balloon repayment plan, B in a straight end repayment plan, C in a amortized decreasing repayment plan, or D in a amortized even repayment plan. Here correct answer is in a amortized decreasing repayment plan the principal component remains constant over the entire repayment period. To remember such type of questions, keep in mind the diagram of repayment plans. If you remember the diagram, you can able to answer the such type of questions. The next, in a dash dash repayment plan, principal portion of the installments increases continuously. Okay, in last question we have seen in the decreasing repayment amortized decreasing repayment plan, the principal portion remains constant. So here option in a balloon, B in a straight end, C in a amortized decreasing, or D in a amortized even. So correct answer is in a amortized even repayment plan, principal portion of the investment increases continuously. In amortized even repayment plan, principal component increases continuously, and in amortized decreasing repayment plan, principal component remains constant. Then next, in a dash dash repayment plan, the annual installment amount decreases over the years. So option in a balloon, in a straight end, in a amortized decreasing, or in a amortized even. Here correct answer is in a amortized decreasing repayment plan, the annual installment amount decreases over the years, because in amortized decreasing plan your principal component remains constant but your interest component goes on declining or decreasing. So overall annual installment amount also decreases over the years. Next, in a dash dash repayment plan, the annual installment over the entire loan period remains same. Option in a balloon, in a straight end, or in a amortized decreasing, or in a amortized even. So correct answer is in a amortized even repayment plan, the annual installment over the entire loan period remains the same. That's why the name is given amortized even repayment plan. Next, dash dash is made by borrowers in areas which are subject to high income variability of farms. So option in a balloon repayment plan, straight end repayment plan, optional repayment plan, or reserve repayment plan. Correct answer is optional reserve repayment plan is made by the borrowers in areas which are subject to high income variability of farms, means those farmers who are receiving the high income, so they are making the reserve repayment plan. Then next, in a dash dash repayment plan, the farmers make advance payment of the loan. So in a reserve repayment plan, in a balloon, in a straight end, or in an option repayment plan, so correct answer is in a reserve repayment plan, the farmers make advance payment of the loan. Next, in a first spell of dash dash banks were nationalized on 19th July 1969. So correct answer is in a first spell there were 14 banks were nationalized on the 19th July 1969. Next, in a second spell, dash dash banks were nationalized on 15th April 1980. Correct answer is in a second spell there were 6 banks were nationalized on the 15th April 1980. Next, in a first spell of nationalization, commercial banks having more than dash dash crores each were nationalized, having the deposits of more than rupees dash dash crore were nationalized. Option A 200 crore, B 50 crore, C 100 crore, or D 75 crore. Correct answer in a first spell, the deposits of commercial banks having more than 50 crore each were nationalized. First spell 50 crore. Then in a second spell, commercial banks having deposits more than dash dash crore each were nationalized. So correct answer is 50 crore, 75 crore, 100 crore, or 200 crore. Keep in mind, in a first spell the deposit more than 50 crore, and in a second spell deposit more than 200 crore. Next, objectives of nationalization of banks were structured by dash dash. Option A Morarji Desai, B Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, former Prime Minister of India, then Sachindra Chaudhary, D Gulzari Lal Nanda. So correct answer is objectives of nationalization of banks were structured by the Srimati Indira Gandhi. Then next, dash dash bank is not nationalized in a first spell. So you have to remember which 14 banks were nationalized in a first spell. Option Bank of India, Canara Bank, Dena Bank or Vijaya Bank. Correct answer is Vijaya Bank is not nationalized in a first spell. Okay, so Vijaya Bank were nationalized in a second spell. Then dash dash is the objective of nationalization of banks. So removal of control on banking business by few industrialists. Then expansion of credit to priority areas like agriculture. C. Provision of adequate training to bank staffs. Or D. All of these. So correct answer is all of these, means all these are the objectives of nationalization of banks. Next, service area approach were recommended by dash dash. Option A recommended by FKF Nariman, B Mohan Kanda, C BP Patel or D DR Gadgil. So always keep in mind service area approach were recommended by DR Gadgil. The next, dash dash committee recommended the formulation of lead bank scheme. Dash dash committee recommended the formulation of lead bank scheme. Option A Gadgil committee, B Nariman committee, C Mohan Kanda committee or D BP Patel committee. Always keep in mind the FKF Nariman committee recommended the formulation of lead bank scheme. So Nariman committee was established by the Reserve Bank of India to study the formulation of lead bank scheme. FKF Nariman committee lead bank scheme. Next, lead bank scheme came into force from dash dash year. So option in 1969, 1980, 1963 or 1982. Correct answer is in 1969, means nationalization of banks and lead bank scheme came into force in the year 1969. Next, on the recommendation of dash dash, RRBs came into existence. RRBs means regional rural banks. So option A DR Gadgil, B KF Nariman, FKF Nariman, M Narsimha or D BP Patel. Correct answer is on the recommendation of M Narsimha, the RRBs came into existence. M Narsimha means RRBs. Next, RRBs came into existence in the year option A 1969, 1980, 1975 or 1935. Correct answer is RRBs means regional rural banks came into existence in the year 1975. Firstly, 5 regional rural banks means first RRBs were set up on dash dash 2nd October 1975 or 15th April 1975 or on 19th July 1975 or 1st January 1975. Correct answer is first 5 regional rural banks were set up on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, that is on the 2nd October 1975. The next, RRBs are sponsored by, regional rural banks are sponsored by option A, they are sponsored by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, B. Scheduled commercial banks. C. They are sponsored by NABARD. Or D. Land development banks. So correct answer is RRBs or regional rural banks are sponsored by scheduled commercial banks. Next, the sponsoring bank provides assistance to RRBs for the first dash years. Option A for first 2 years, B for 3 years, for 4 years or for 5 years. So correct answer is the sponsoring bank provides assistance to the RRBs for the first 5 years. Next, board of directors are found in RRBs or it is observed in RRBs. So 8 board of directors, 7 board of directors, 6 board of directors or 5 board of directors. So correct answer is 8 board of directors are found in RRBs. Next, the share capital of RRBs. The share capital of RRBs is contributed by the central government, state government and the sponsoring bank in the ratio of dash respectively. In the ratio of 20:50:25, 30:15:65 or 50:15:35 or 50:35:15. So correct answer is 50:15:35 means 50% by central government, 15% by state government and 35% by sponsoring bank. Next, special concessions to RRBs in the statutory liquidity ratio means SLR to be maintained is fixed at 75%, 50%, 25% or 15%. So SLR of RRBs to be maintained is fixed at 25%. SLR of RRBs maintained at 25%. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on agricultural economics, keep watching my YouTube channel. We will see more objectives of agricultural finance and cooperation in the next part. Thank you.